Powerful tax. Today I want to talk about another service that I'm offering to my clients, to my customers. The service is bookkeeping. And I think it would be best if I go to my monitor and show you. And at the same time that I explain what a bookkeeper does and what bookkeeping is about. Without any further ado, let's go. I'm going to show you. So logging into my account on QuickBooks Online. Log in. This is my accountant page. Usually if I want to add a client, I would just click here. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna show a sample company that QuickBook has that they can kind of practice or show clients what QuickBooks is about and overall what a bookkeeper does. So let's say that what does a bookkeeper do? They categorize expense and income. At the end of each month, what we do, we reconcile the bank and credit cards. We take care of the account payable, means the vendors that we owe money, account receivable, the customers that owe us money. Usually there is payroll, there is inventory, and this is pretty much the big accounts that we have on QuickBooks. But within each account there is a lot more in depth. That is not just the very simple things. As we go along, I kind of show in a very brief what these accounts are about and what they do. First thing that I like to do, I'm going to show you the reports. As you see here, plenty of reports, okay? Plenty of reports. But among all of them, we have these two here that I think every single business owner should know these reports. When I say know these reports, know how to read these reports, what they have in them. So let's say, for instance, balance sheet. Okay, balance sheet shows what you have in your business from the day one up to today. Let's say you start your business 2 years ago. Show what you have from the 2 years ago up to today. It accumulates what is in a company in the company. We have assets, we have liability, and we have equity. Asset, as we see here, we have the banks, account receivable, as I said before, people that owe you money, inventory, fixed asset. We have a truck here, liability. We have account payable, people that you owe money. Let's say that you buy product from a vendor. You buy a product from a vendor and you haven't paid yet. Those would be where the accounts will be. We have credit cards, loan payable, equity. Equity is the value you have in your business. Okay. Assets minus liability equals equity. This is the value of your business. Okay. If you want to know what is the value of your business at any time, any point of time, just go here to your balance sheet. Go to equity. It tells you where you're standing as far as the equity in your business. Let's go back to the other reports that profit and loss is another very important report. Usually a bookkeeper should supply these two reports like monthly basis. Every beginning of the month, you should get these reports. Depends how you want to get them. Usually it's going to be an email. You open them, and then once you know how to read these reports, because they tell pretty much everything what you need to know about your business. Profit and loss. This shows you what happened to your business, or what is happening to your business from the January till December 31st. Okay, on January 2024, everything would be zero. Okay, it shows whatever, shows the income, and it shows the expense. Some expense are direct or not direct. A lot of nuances on this report, but I'm just trying to cleanse. I'm just trying to roll through this presentation so this video doesn't get too long. And then what we go, let me see, let me go to the bank. Okay, this is a pop-up sample company. Yeah, supposedly this is your checking account. You might have one or two checking accounts, savings account, MasterCard, one or two, whatever you have. They're all here. Okay, this is your checking account. This is savings. Now we're talking about checking account. These are exactly the transactions that are in your bank account. Okay, and then if you go to the register, these are the transactions that I, as a bookkeeper, put into your software. Okay, so this one's here, they have to match. They have to match with these ones here, with what is in the bank. Okay, that's why I say that every month, what I have here that I wrote down and whatever is in the bank, they have to match. That's why we have to do it. We have to do the reconciliation every month, and it has to come to the zero. Okay, we have to reconcile the checking account, all the accounts you have, savings, credit cards, all the good stuff. Okay, and then let me see what else I want to show you. Go to sales here, products. Okay, usually if you have a company, either you sell a product or a service. Product, let's say you buy t-shirts, you resell, that's a product. Or you have a service that you sell. My bookkeeping account is, it's a service, because I don't have to buy anything in order to sell you what I have. Okay, so two types, we have the product and the service. Okay, and then when you have the product, we have the inventory. We have the inventory. Inventory can be very, very complex. Another aspect of this QuickBooks Online is when you have a restaurant or you have any service that use the POS service, can get very complex too. Can get a lot of moving parts, a lot of things to account for. As I said, it might look simple, but there is a lot of moving parts that you have to put together. At the end of the year, you have the financial reports to handle to your tax preparer. It's very important. I can't stress this. If you have a small or a medium business, and you've got to have some type of bookkeeping service in your company, because at the beginning, the spreadsheets might get the job done, but there is a lot of things to account for. As I said, there is so many scenarios that I could be here explaining to tell you, but it's for the sake of this video not to be that long. I'm just gonna glide through these fixtures. But anything, you can just give me a call on my cell phone. It's 774-476-4459. Again, it's 774-476-4459. This is my phone number, and I'm gonna put my the link to my website on the description below. You can just go there and you can see what I have there, enjoy, and give me a call because I'm pretty sure that I can make a difference in your company. Either you're a small or a medium business. You know, okay. I think I'm gonna stop here for now and see you on the next video.
What you just see, it's just a brief of what QuickBooks Online is about. I didn't want to make the video any longer. It would be very boring. If you want to scale your business, take it to the next level, you've got to have a bookkeeper. Give me a call or just go to my website and contact me. We'll see if I'm the right fit for your company.